In the heart of downtown Waco, Texas, the historic Palladium stands proudly at the corner of 8th Street and Austin Avenue. With over 128 years of history, this iconic building has seen many transformations, from the original Bauer McCann department store built in 1895 to the versatile event venue it is today. Preserving the rich history of the Palladium has always been a top priority. This responsibility was entrusted to Clark Roofing, a company renowned for its commitment to quality and durability. The task was not just to protect the interior finishes, but also to prevent roof leaks. Clark Roofing chose the Mule Hide brand 80 mil TPO for the Palladium's roof, supplied by ABC Supply. This roofing system is designed to endure, much like the Palladium itself. It can withstand the brutal Texas heat, severe weather, and hail seasons. Before the new roof was installed, the old Duralast roof system, damaged by a recent hail event, had to be removed. Underneath, a 3-ply hot-mopped asphalt roof system over the original wood decking was discovered. Improving the building's energy efficiency was a crucial part of the project. Clark Roofing added 2 layers of a 2.2 polyiso insulation system, providing an additional R25 value. With the solar reflectance of the Mule Hide white TPOs, the Palladium now far exceeds the owner's energy efficiency expectations. The roof of the Palladium is a unique partial dome, with multiple angles coming together to form the original architect's distinctive design. Thanks to the flexible properties of the Mule Hide material, the roof membrane was perfectly formed to fit this unique profile. The Palladium also has a private area on the roof, ideal for enjoying moonlit evenings with the famous Alico building as a backdrop. The durable and long-lasting roof system installed by Clark Roofing adds to the enjoyment of this space. Clark Roofing has installed hundreds of TPO roof systems in Texas, often meeting clients' requests for unique colors to blend in with their building's architecture. Mule Hide offers multiple colors to achieve that perfect look. Mule Hide has been Clark Roofing's brand of choice for many years. This is especially important given that the roof is warranted for 30 years. By the time the warranty expires, the Palladium will be 158 years old. For more information about Clark Roofing and our historic restoration services, call us at 254-374-4477. For more information regarding Mule Hide, contact your local ABC Supply company.